Neuroimmunochemistry, a short review. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Neuroimmunochemistry is a complex discipline. Understanding the role of immune cells and manipulated it to increase the neurodegenerative disease outcome will lead the hallmark of epigenetic medicine. Immunologic approach to examine in-depth neural immune interactions to counteract neurodegenerative disease like brain stroke, tumor, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis shows futuristic gateway to the drug development. The reward system and circadian rhythm are also immune-related neurological phenomena. Exploring the link between immune cells and the CNS will lead the development of most advanced therapeutic treatment. The review focus on understanding the signal transduction between our immune cells and the brain. Signaling pathways between the brain and immune system could be the game-changing discoveries. Scientists believe that the brain is directly connected to the immune system. University of Virginia School of Medicine have made dazzling discovery, published in Nature. Brain is directly connected to immune system by previously known vessel. The discoveries of the new vessel have enormous implications of every neurological disease with an immune component from Alzheimer's to multiple sclerosis. The production of cytokine is detected in the CNS. Jonathan Kipnis and colleagues shows that IFN gamma acts on the inhibitory neurons in the brain to regulate neuronal connectivity and social behavior. Macrophages, dendritic cells, T cells are continuously monitored in CNS to detect disease-prone agent which would disrupt the homeostasis and optimal functioning of the vital organs. Certain immune cells patrol the CNS and perform immune surveillance in the CNS. Our aim is to understand the physiological and biochemical role of those immune armies that guard the CNS. The biomolecular marker that underlies the surveillance duties could be a novel approach towards the development of epigenetic medicine. Dendritic cells play role of antigen presentation in autoimmune diabetes mellitus, IDDM. The role of dendritic cells in immune-mediated inflammatory disease in CNS is some of the current issues. Dendritic cells induce primary immune response. They also play crucial role in immune tolerance. The immune system has evolved to mount immune responses against foreign pathogens and to remain silent against self-antigens. A balance between immunity and tolerance is required as any disturbance may result in chronic inflammation or autoimmunity. Dendritic cells, DCs, actively participate in maintaining this balance. Neuroimmunochemistry is spirited young area of research. The vast research in this area has increased by an order of magnitude of understanding the link between the immune system and the brain. The research may lead to new discoveries, to well-established perspective. The basic understanding that cross-bridged the immune cell with brain will be a major contributor of epigenetic medicine and will be the end of neurodegenerative disease. Hopefully, the identification of those signaling pathways that link brain with immune cells contribute to the new theories and mapping of those pathways will lead to the future therapeutics. Neuroimmunology could be both science of new techniques, theories and science of new ideas. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.